Welcome back to Trash Panda Off-Road. Today we're going to replace the window regulator on the Trash Panda. So these window regulators, they go out pretty often. You see, look, it'll go down just fine. Oh, down. Well, not really that fine. But then in order to go up, it doesn't. It kicks in the back, see? And then you have to take your hand, push it back, and then go a little more, and then push your hand and push it back, and then go a little more. So I'm going to replace the regulator today. I got one off of the parts rig right there. Just so you guys know, 2-door and 4-door are not the same regulator. So when you need one, you got to find one for the right rig. First thing you got to do, it's real easy. Take the door panel off. It's going to be a screw there, screw there, screw there. This thing comes off with that little C-clip. I've showed you guys before how to use a rag. You line this up and you put a rag in there and you just wiggle the rag up the way, and the rag grabs it and pulls the clip out without shooting it everywhere. And then we will just pop this off and take a look inside. It's really simple. It's just a bunch of screws, so it won't be that difficult. Once you get everything off, put the windshield roller downer back on, but not with the clip. Don't use the clip. Just stick it back on there so it can go on and off. And roll your window down, because you're going to get these two screws hold the glass into the roller upper arm thing. Oh my goodness. Anyways, you want to take those two screws out, and then you can pull the glass. What I'm going to do is just pull the glass up and use a clamp to hold it up here. I've done that before on other rigs. And then it's to pull this regulator out. It is these two, and these three, I think. 3. And that's it. And that pulls out this regulator here. So these two, those 3, and then the ones in the window are right there. So really, like I said, it's pretty simple to get this thing out of here. So to get this thing out, you just have to lift this tab out of this hole and then just kind of tilt everything this way and slide it out through the bottom. Before you put the new one in, get your roller downer, roll the window down to about the same as you had the old one. That way you can put the glass back in there. And if you have any dry lube or anything like that, it doesn't hurt to try to lube this up a little bit. Honestly, I don't even guarantee this one's going to be better than that one. It came out of a rig where the passenger side was good, but I've had so many rigs here and stuff that goes in and out all the time. Somebody bought the door, didn't need the guts, so I ripped them out real quick. So hopefully I put that in there and it works better than that one did. But like I said, putting it back in is going to be exactly the opposite. Once you got the window roller down, just stick it back inside here. That. And then you tilt everything up to line it up to the holes. When you're sliding the top of it back up, make sure you're on the right side of the glass, because the glass does hang down in here. You want to be on the front side, not the outside. And also make sure you got the biggest screwdriver you can, because you don't want to strip any of these out. They're in there pretty tough. So once you get all the stuff started, just go ahead and tighten everything back down again. That tab is bent, that's why it's not sticking out of there. So hopefully that's going to be okay. But we'll tighten the rest of it down and get the window in it and hope it works better than the last one. Window's back in. Let's see if it works any better. Down, up. Uh-oh, doesn't look like it. See that tilt? Same problem. Ah, dang it. Yep, exact same problem. well, at least now you know how to do it if you can find a good one. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it gives you an idea of what it takes to fix this part. Consider subscribing to the channel. Got like 300 videos out here, all kinds of different Suzuki stuff we're working on. And put your comments down below. Let me know if you know where to get these things good, because apparently that one wasn't a good one.